Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Truecaller is not responding or Truecaller not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Truecaller application. Go to Apps Info. Go to Storage. Click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Truecaller application. Update your Truecaller application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device. Step 4. Again open your Truecaller application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Truecaller is not responding or Truecaller not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.